Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to troubleshoot common issues in Tone Wallet. If application is not opening or crashing, restart the application. Close and reopen the application to see if it resolved the issue. You can also update the application. Open an app store and type the name of your application. Select the application. Check for updates in your app store and install the latest version. You can also reinstall the application. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If the problem persists, make sure to back up your recovery phrase before doing this. If you are unable to send or receive Tone tokens, you need to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Double check the recipient address for accuracy. Also ensure you have enough funds to cover transaction fees. Sometimes transaction may take longer to process. Check the transaction status. If you have forgotten a password, use the recovery phrase to restore your wallet on a new device or after the reinstallation of your application. If your wallet is not syncing, close and reopen the application to refresh the wallet data. You can also clear the cache. Go to your device settings and clear the application cache if applicable. If you cannot resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Tonekeeper support for assistance. Go to your settings, which is at the top right corner, and you can see Contact Us tab. To continue, you need to download Mail application from the App Store. Download and follow the procedures. These steps should help you troubleshoot common issues you might encounter while using the Tone wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.